Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to show you how to restrict and unrestrict the person in the Messenger app on your device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. So first thing first, you need to make sure that a Messenger app is downloaded on your device, and after that you just need to open the app Messenger. And now to restrict someone, you just need to slide up and slide side, and there you can see the option more, pin and archive. Tap on the option more, which have the three dot icon. Tap on this option more, and there you can see the option restrict. Tap on the option restrict and confirm with tapping the option restrict sanket, which is highlighted in color blue. Now tap on the option restrict sanket, which is highlighted in color blue. So now sanket kanal is officially restricted from your chat list, and after restricting someone won't be able to see their messages or video calls or anything like that. So now unrestrict the person, you just need to tap on the option menu, which is at the very bottom right of this page. Tap on the option menu and tap on the option settings, which is at the very first. After tapping there, then go to the option privacy and safety. Tapping privacy and safety, you just need to scroll it little up, and there you can see the option restricted account. Tap on the option restricted account, and there you can see the person to whom you have been restricted. So now unrestrict the person, you just need to tap on the name, and here you can see the option unrestrict, and tap on the option unrestrict, and within a very few seconds your person will be unrestricted from your chat list. So that's how you can restrict and unrestrict the person in Messenger app on your device. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.